The 10 least satisfying cars with worst reviews. Are you still recovering from a bad car experience? Well, you're not alone. We've all been there, whether it's a faulty engine or a rusted body that just won't die. But today, we're diving deep into the 10 least satisfying cars that left their owners feeling like they made a huge mistake. Maybe your previous car is on this list, or you're just looking for juicy car gossip. Either way, we've got you covered. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we uncover the cars with the worst reviews. And if you like this type of information, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a beat. For your information, the list which we've combined is taken from the Consumer Reports website after a survey is being published in the report. We'll evaluate the report to give you better insights. The survey is based on owner satisfaction based on multiple factors like whether they would buy it again, comfort level, maintenance, and so on. So, stick with us till the very end. 10. Jeep Compass. At number 10, we have the Jeep Compass on the list. The Jeep Compass is a subcompact sports utility vehicle with a base price of approximately $24,295. Despite having a tough and off-road capable design, it only garnered a satisfaction rating of 46% from those who purchased it. They were critical of the car's engine for not having enough power, as well as its poor maneuverability on the road. The interior was also criticized for its lack of comfort and its small quarters. Additionally, some motorists found the infotainment system to be difficult to operate and extremely annoying. 9. Mercedes-Benz GLA. The next car is the Mercedes-Benz GLA on the list. The Mercedes-Benz GLA is a luxury subcompact SUV with a starting price of approximately $36,230. However, only 45% of its owners are happy with the vehicle despite its beautiful interior and cutting-edge safety features. They were critical of the automobile's claustrophobic cabin as well as its inadequate trunk space. Additionally, several people found the infotainment system to be difficult to operate and annoying. The ride quality of the car was not as smooth as one would have expected from a luxury car. 8. Nissan Kicks. At number 8, we have the Nissan Kicks on the list. The Nissan Kicks is a subcompact SUV that has a base price of approximately $20,650. It comes equipped with a multitude of features as standard, such as an infotainment system with a touchscreen of 7 inches in size, connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a collection of driver aid functions. Despite this, its owners expressed only 49% level of satisfaction with the product. They were critical of the car's weak engine and the mediocre experience it provided behind the wheel. The interior was also judged to be of poor quality construction and to lack comfort. Some drivers complained that there wasn't enough room in the trunk for their belongings. 7. Volkswagen Taos. Coming up next on the list is the Volkswagen Taos. The Volkswagen Taos is a tiny SUV with a base price of approximately $22,995, and it's manufactured by Volkswagen. It comes equipped with a multitude of standard features such as an infotainment system with a touchscreen of 6.5 inches, connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a collection of driver aid functions. Despite this, its owners expressed only a 48% level of satisfaction with the product. They complained about the car's uncomfortable ride and poor maneuverability. Additionally, many reported that the infotainment system was difficult to understand and operate. 6. Kia Celtas. The Kia Celtas is a subcompact SUV with a starting price of around $23,990 and comes at number 6 on this list. This model is another example of a car that was tested well, but owners of this model just don't love driving it. It offers a lot of standard features, including an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability, and a suite of driver assistance features. However, it received a 48% satisfaction rate from its owners. They criticized the car's lack of power and unrefined ride quality. The interior was also considered cramped and lacking comfort, and some drivers also found the cargo space to be way too small. 5. Kia Forte. The Kia Forte is a compact sedan that has a starting price of approximately $18,900. Despite the fact that it comes standard with several technologies including an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a suite of driver assistance functions, its owners reported only a 51% level of satisfaction with the vehicle. They complained about the car's rudimentary ride quality and the absence of any standard safety equipment. It was also deemed archaic and difficult to use, which was a problem with the infotainment system. Some drivers also reported that the seats didn't provide the sufficient comfort. 4. Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima is a mid-size sedan with a starting price of around $24,350, and it comes at number 4 on this list. It offers a plush and roomy interior, economical with gasoline, and is equipped with cutting-edge safety systems. Despite this, it was only able to achieve a satisfaction percentage of 51% amongst its owners. They were critical of the car's lackluster acceleration. It was also difficult to operate and thought to be an outmoded information and entertainment system. In addition to this, the car's handling was not very graceful. 3. Infiniti QX50. At number 3, we have the Infiniti QX50 on the list. A luxury compact SUV, the Infiniti QX50 has a base price of approximately $37,950. It comes equipped with a multitude of features such as an infotainment system with a touchscreen of 7 inches in size, connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a collection of driver aid functions. On the other hand, only 40% of its owners were happy with the product. They commented on how inefficient the car's gearbox was and how little gasoline it saved. The ride quality of the automobile was also thought to be rough, and the seats didn't provide a very comfortable experience. Several drivers also voiced their opinion that the infotainment system was antiquated and difficult to use. Yeah, right. We know, most of these cars don't have a great infotainment system, so we got this review in almost all these cars. 2. Mercedes-Benz GLB. At number 2, we have the Mercedes-Benz GLB on the list. The Mercedes-Benz GLB is a high-end small SUV that begins at a price point of approximately $38,050. It comes equipped with many features, such as the infotainment system with a touchscreen of 7 inches in size, connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a collection of driver aid functions. Despite this, it only managed to garner a 39% approval rating from its customers. They were critical of the automobile's claustrophobic cabin as well as its inadequate trunk space. Additionally, the ride quality was judged to be unpleasant, and the seats didn't provide sufficient comfort for extended periods of driving. A number of drivers have criticized the infotainment system for being antiquated and really difficult to operate. 1. Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport is a midsize SUV with a starting price that is approximately $30,855 according to the manufacturers. It comes equipped with a plethora of standard amenities, such as a suite of driver assistance functions, an infotainment system with a touchscreen of 8 inches, connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and quite a bit more. On the other hand, it had the lowest satisfaction percentage out of all the cars on this list, with only 38% of owners stating they would purchase this again if they had the chance. Because of this, the 2023 Volkswagen Atlas is the least gratifying automobile currently available for purchase. They complained about the car's clumsy ride quality and its inability to react quickly to changing road conditions. It was also thought that the car had a low economy when it came to fuel. The infotainment system was difficult to operate and frustrating for several drivers who complained about its complexity. So, guys, that's all for today's video, and thank you for taking the time to learn about the 10 least satisfying cars according to the Consumer Reports survey. While these cars may not have impressed their owners, it's important to remember that everyone's needs and preferences are different. What may not work for one person may work perfectly fine for another. So, if you're in the market for a new car, be sure to do your research, test drive several models, and find the one that's right for you. And if you enjoyed this type of information, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more interesting insights and updates on the world of cars. We'll be back with another exciting video, and until then, take care and bye-bye.